Throughout the Reconstruction era, the Reconstruction Amendments had a negative impact on the United States, but resulted in the success of a reunited nation. At an attempt to reform society for blacks, many negative events took place as a result of these Reconstruction Amendments. Black codes were established in 1865 in a reaction to the Civil Rights Act of 1866. Southern legislatures passed laws to restrict opportunities for blacks, such as no interracial marriage, serving on juries and testifying against whites, and blacks had to sign yearly labor contracts. These laws were passed because they feared black political influence and blacks would seek revenge on masters. Along with black codes, Jim Crow laws were formed to reestablish slavery. Their main belief was that blacks were inferior to whites and they needed to restrict black rights as a way of life. A black male could not shake a white man's hand, blacks and whites cannot eat together, and there is no public affection. When black codes were declared unconstitutional, Jim Crow laws took their place as a response to disagreement to the Reconstruction Amendments. As more people became angry, the Ku Klux Klan, a secret society of white supremacists, formed in Tennessee, 1866. They led an underground campaign of intimidation and violence directed at black and white Republican leaders. The Knights of the White Camellia and the White Brotherhood joined. At least 10% of the black legislators elected during this era became victims of violence during Reconstruction. In 1871, Congress passed Ku Klux Klan Act in order to restrain the anti-black uprisings. However, more killings and beatings continued. As the Reconstruction era ended, the negative impacts were subdued by the success of the reunification of the Union. After long efforts of reconstruction, large amounts of racial violence, and a period of social upheaval, the Union was finally united.